If you want to add Epic Games to your Steam library, this guide will walk you through it step by step. This is a really useful trick if you like keeping all your games in one place. Even when they come from different launchers, just keep in mind right away that this does not actually transfer Epic Games into Steam permanently. What it does is create a shortcut inside Steam so you can launch Epic Games through your Steam library more easily. And of course, if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Steam and log into your account. Once you're inside the Steam launcher, look at the bottom left corner of the window. You should see the option that says Add a Game. Click on that menu and a few options will appear. From the list, choose Add a non-Steam game. This is the feature Steam uses to add outside apps and launchers into your library. After you click that, Steam will open a list of programs installed on your computer. Scroll through the list carefully until you find Epic Games Launcher. Once you see it, check the box next to it. If you don't see it right away, make sure the Epic Games Launcher is already installed on your PC, because Steam can only detect programs that are actually on your system. After selecting it, confirm your choice by clicking Add Selected Programs. Now go back to your Steam library and you should see Epic Games Launcher added there like any other game or app. When you launch it from Steam, it will still open through the Epic Games Launcher, which means Steam is basically acting as a convenient shortcut. From there, you can open any Epic game you already have installed through the Epic Launcher and run it normally. There are two important things to remember here. First, this only adds a shortcut to Steam, not the actual Epic Games Store or your full library. Second, the game you want to play must already be downloaded in Epic Games Launcher. If the game is not installed yet, Steam won't magically install it for you. So if something doesn't seem to work, double check that both the Epic Games Launcher and the game itself are installed. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can add Epic Games Launcher to your Steam library and keep all your launchers a little more organized. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple PC gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.